Hello everyone, let's go through the top Firebase Studio updates that have been launched in Google I/O 2025. So last month we launched Firebase Studio, a cloud-based AI workspace. With a single prompt, you can create a fully functional app. You can lean on AI assistance throughout or dive into the code thanks to the full power of an underlying customizable VM that is open and extensible. We have been inspired by the creativity behind the apps this community has created using Firebase Studio over the course of the last 6 weeks. Like Share It, a flexible platform for sharing things in your community like tools, meals, or local basketball games, or some fun block drop build with just 2 prompts. But you all haven't been the only ones building. Since launch, we have continued to make improvements to Firebase Studio, like adding support for Gemini 2.5 Pro, updating the app prototyping agent to show you its thinking before making changes, and fixing some of your most reported bugs. Today we are excited to share even more updates, a combination of the most common requests and features to help you rapidly iterate on the next generation of AI apps. Bring your Figma design to life inside Firebase Studio. First up is one of the most requested features yet. We have partnered with builder.io, a visual development platform, to make it easier to translate your Figma design into functional apps. Here how it works. Use the builder.io Figma plugin to export your design to Firebase Studio. Once in Firebase Studio, use Gemini in Firebase via interactive chat to bring the app to life. For example, ask Gemini to build on the existing UI with additional screens, or add backend services like authentication to your app without having to write any code. Watch the video below to walk through the full experience. Generate higher fidelity, more functional prototype. Backend integration. We are introducing functionality to detect when your app needs a backend and provision it for you if your prompt includes a database or authentication. As part of the app blueprint that details some of the most important characteristics of the app, such as its feature requirements and UI style if needed. Firebase Studio will now recommend Firebase Auth and Cloud Firestore. When you are ready to publish the app to Firebase app hosting, Firebase Studio will provision those backend services for you. If you prefer a different stack or your needs change as your app grows, you can still jump into the coding workspace and extend your apps with any backend. This feature is rolling out over the next several weeks. Easily swap placeholder images with Unsplash. Our prototyper now makes it easier than ever to move from basic placeholders to high fidelity visuals. When you are ready to replace a placeholder image in your app prototype, use the select button to target the image, and you can instantly search and select a replacement from Unsplash extensive library. This lets you quickly create more realistic and visually appealing layouts. Stay tuned, as we will be adding more image source integration soon. Build apps that generate images. Harness the native image generation capabilities of Gemini. Your apps can now create images based on user input. Why not try building an app that transforms user sketches into high quality photographs? Generate prototypes on mobile for those moments of inspiration on the go, or an idea that strikes while you are on the couch. We have optimized the app prototyping agent to work better on mobile devices. You can now seamlessly swap between the preview and chat views, making it easier than ever before to build and iterate from anywhere. Share your prompts without sharing your workspace. Use the new prototype prompt query parameter to share your prompts directly via URL. Try this. Build with the latest model and AI tools from Google. Finally, teams across Google announced major updates at Google I/O that makes Firebase Studio even more powerful. Here's how. Build next-gen apps with Gemini 2.5, Gemma, and the latest Gemini API feature. Google's DeepMind announced updates for Gemini 2.5 Flash and Pro model. Firebase Studio's app prototyping agent and interactive chat have been upgraded to leverage this latest models, allowing you to build a richer, more complex application with greater efficiency. The Gemini API also has new features like native audio output and live API. Combine them with Firebase Studio's full stack tooling to quickly build next generation interactive and agentic application. In Firebase Studio's code mode, you can also experiment with integrating the latest Gemma models into your application for more powerful and tailored AI experiences within Firebase Studio. Watch the video below to see Firebase Studio developer relations engineer Roddy Davis shows how he builds apps that leverage image input with Gemma 3. Summary: we are rapidly building and collaborating with teams across Google and the broader ecosystem to make Firebase Studio a single place to build, deploy, and run the next generation of full stack agentic application. For a full list of improvements and bug fixes available today, check out our release notes or head over to Firebase Studio to try the latest today. As always, keep the feedback coming. Share your creations with us on social media using Firebase Studio and reach out to our team in the forums with any feedback or suggestions. We can't wait to see what you build with these new capabilities. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.